Good morning, everybody. Thank you very much for joining us on our final installment of our webinar series for Life Insurance Awareness Month. As many of you are aware, September is Life Insurance Awareness Month. And even though the month of September is coming to a close, the tools and resources that we will be discussing today are going to be available to you all year long. We have been taking the time to help you and educate you so that you can educate your clients on the purpose of life insurance. Life insurance and what you do is very important. Through life insurance, you are helping widows and children stay in their own homes. Through life insurance, because of you, you are helping widows provide food and clothing to their children. Because of you, you're able to help that son or daughter or granddaughter or grandson go to college. Because of you, you are helping businesses stay afloat, and you're helping businesses transfer from one generation to another. This is all through life insurance. And because of you, you are able to help, through life insurance, help families alleviate the financial burdens and debts that are plaguing them and hanging over their head. So as you can see, and as you know, your job is very important. There's quite a few of you on this call today that are very new to URL, so I just want to give a brief introduction to who we are and what we do as a brokerage. We are a full-service brokerage, but this is our life markets team. And you might want to take down our phone number and our email or our website address. Our toll-free number is 800-WANT-URL, and that breaks down to 800-926-8875. And you can find us on the web at urlinsgroup.com. For any of your front-end sales support information, any sales proposals, underwriting risk assessments, anything that has to do with the pre-sale and getting a client to sign on the dotted line, you would contact me at extension 141, Steve Clemens at extension 132, and Joey Fry at extension 157. And I failed to tell you my name. For those of you that don't know me, my name is Matt Alina, and I am one of the marketers here at URL. When you submit an application, you have case managers that are designated to work your business, and they're dedicated to work with you. So agents with last names A through L, Rosemary Evans is your case manager. And for agents with last names M through Z, Rachel Cook is your case manager. And then for any licensing and commissions questions, Judy Warner is at extension 109, and she can help you with any of those questions. A little bit about URL and who we are. We are a full-service national brokerage. We consider ourselves a one-stop brokerage. The only things we don't do here are P&C and securities. And really what it boils down to is we're all in the people business. We're in the people business as a brokerage where we're providing the best products and services to help you, help your clients. If we are not providing good products and good services to you to provide your clients, then we're out of business. So it's really all about providing peace of mind from our end, providing you peace of mind that the products that you're getting through URL are the best products and the best solutions to meet your clients' needs. We specialize in annuities, employee benefits, life markets, which is our life insurance area, health plan options, which is individual and group health, Medicare off, and also the ancillary products like disability, critical illness, dental, vision, and a whole lot more. And as I mentioned, you can find us on the web at urlinsgroup.com. And for those of you who are brand new to URL and you're looking to get access to our website, because it is password protected, feel free to use our temporary username and password. Our temporary username in lowercase letters is future, and the temporary password in lowercase letters is partner. We have approximately 40 different life insurance companies. We do not recommend that you get licensed with all 40 carriers, but you'll see that we have a wide variety of options for your clients to meet their needs. So when you come to us and you have a particular need, we have a bunch of different contacts and different resources available to help you and to help your client. Now, throughout the month of September, Life Insurance Awareness Month, it's been our mission to provide you with tools, resources, and really a way to educate and give you a fresh new approach to sharing the importance of life insurance. I explained it when we opened today's presentation that your job is important. You're helping widows and children stay in their home. You're helping children get educated through college funding and businesses to pass on from one generation to the next. And there are so many other useful tools that life insurance provides to help your clients. So all throughout the month of September, we have been sending out emails with shareable, consumer-friendly marketing pieces. We have been sending out social media materials through our Facebook page and LinkedIn and through Twitter and stuff like that. These are all for you to take and then share with your clients, your friends, your family who follow you, who trust your word, and they want to learn a little bit about life insurance. And it's really just a way to start the conversation and open the door to a conversation about life insurance. And then we've also been doing the different web training opportunities like you're experiencing right now that provide sales tips and other resources to help you share the importance of life insurance. The 2017 Life Insurance Awareness Month spokesperson has been Danica Patrick, and she has been preaching about it being the time to get financially fit. She considers herself an athlete and that she is physically fit, and it's time to also get financially fit. And a life insurance policy is a way to help people stay financially fit. It's a major piece to that puzzle. We've also been sharing some different shareable facts. These things can be branded to you. When you partner with URL and get contracted with URL, we will be happy to brand these to you and your organization so that you can send these things, that make copies and send these things out to your clients and your friends and family. Again, all with the idea that you will be contacting them to start a conversation about life insurance. So let's discuss some of the different tools and resources. And what I'm going to be discussing today is just a small amount of what we have to offer for you to help market life insurance. But some of the different tools and resources on our website at URL insgroup.com. If you go to our Life Markets page, you will see that there is a menu selection for Life Insurance Awareness Month. When you click on it, it is going to take you to a menu that has different flyers, different social media marketing pieces, a whole bunch of different statistics, things that you can copy and share with your friends, your family, your business contacts, again, with the idea of starting a conversation about life insurance. Some of the really neat pieces that come out of this are some of these samples here. Here's an example where we've branded it to URL, but like I said, if you partner with URL and you're contracted with URL, we would be happy to brand these to you. But here's something about starting a conversation about life insurance to discuss what happens to your business when you die. This does not talk about any specific product. It does not talk specifically about any company. These are non-denominational marketing pieces to help you share the importance of life insurance. It's marketing you. It is marketing life insurance in general. Another piece here is, are you financially fit? Again, something that we can brand to you. And again, this is non-denominational, and it helps you spread the importance of life insurance. We can brand this for you, and we can also help you. And all you need to do is run some copies off and send these in letters, maybe a little sticky note that says, hey, I've been thinking about you, give me a call, or I'm going to call you, and we can sit down and talk. And then the final piece on the right-hand side, there's, we can brand this to you. It's a financial needs worksheet. So it allows you to help your clients determine how much life insurance do they really need so that you're providing them with peace of mind. One of our brokers who's been working with URL for several years used some of these within this past month, and he ended up getting 3 decent deals out of it. It didn't cost him anything except what it cost for ink and paper to run off some copies and put a stamp on a letter and mail it out to his clients. He got 3 deals out of it, and it's just because he sent out something that gave his clients the impression that he was thinking about them, and he was able to drum up some business that way. When you're dealing with clients, we do also provide different ways that you can get quotes. One of the things, after you've determined how much insurance a person needs or how much that business needs for life insurance for that key person, or a buy-sell agreement, or that individual life insurance policy to protect the family, the next thing is the question that they're going to ask is, how much does it cost? Well, you can get quotes from our website, again at URL, insgroup.com. You go to our Life Markets page, you'll see where you can click on quote term or guaranteed UL, and it's going to take you to this page where you're going to put in the client's date of birth, male or female, the state of the sale, the amount of the insurance that they need, and this allows you to quote different term lengths as well as guaranteed UL. And then any of the extra bells and whistles, accidental death, waiver of premium, return of premium, a bunch of different bells and whistles. It allows you, again, to put the client's name on there, your contact information as well. And it compares prices. So here's just, it does the shopping for you, so you can see what the rates are going to be for that particular need, for that particular client based on their rate class. As I mentioned before, you have another resource here, and that is Steve Clemens, myself, and Joey Fry. We're here to help you with any preliminary underwriting questions that you might have, or if there's any guidance that you need, or any way that we can help you educate your clients. We're here to help you with that. If there's extra case design that needs to be had there, where we have to run some different numbers and do some make some numbers dance a little bit on different sales proposals, we will do that for you. That's part of our job, and we enjoy doing that. We want to help you win the sale. Now, once a client has agreed that they want to move forward with the application process and move forward with the coverage, the next thing is to complete an application. And we have several carriers that allow online applications. So you're not really having to deal with paper cuts. You're not having to deal with missigned forms and stuff like that. These companies have made it simple. When they partner with you, when you partner with URL, you have access to these different forms. We have online applications through the iGo platform, and that is basically the long application process that is all condensed and online. And it's just a matter of asking them some medical questions, and it fills out the application professionally. It prints everything out, so you don't have underwriters having to try and read your handwriting if you have poor handwriting, and it just looks a lot more professional. And then there's also what they call drop tickets or tele-apps. American National offers it, Banner Life, Cincinnati Life, Protective Life, and a few others. They offer these online applications where you're just providing basic information, and then the carrier is going to contact your client to do the phone interview, make the arrangements for any medical exams if needed, and they basically take it and run with it. You do not lose any commission when you do these online applications. It is all part of, it's just trying to make it easier and simpler. In fact, Banner Life has a mobile phone app that you can quote, and you can also submit applications all directly from your iPhone or your smartphone. So just some additional tools and resources that are available to you to help your clients apply for life insurance. And of course, like I mentioned, once you submit out an application, your case managers are going to help you get that application in and through the underwriting process as quickly as possible. So as I mentioned, this is the final installment of our Life Insurance Awareness Month webinar series. So for the previous 4 weeks, we started this at the very last week of August, and now we're going in here until the final week of September. And we did several of our partner companies partnered with us to help you and provide different tools and resources to help you with spreading the importance of life insurance. So the very first week, our friends at North American Company provided us tools and resources on performing an effective policy review. Now, this is basically going back to the grassroots, going back to the basics. There are many brokers in the industry that are selling life insurance policies and they do not stay in contact with the client. Do not be that broker. But because there are brokers that do not stay in touch with their clients, this gives you an opportunity to kind of win that client's business to you. And one of the best ways to do that is by performing an effective policy review. North American provides different consumer materials. This one is Life Insurance Client Review. And it basically is a door opener. It's a conversation starter about the different life events that have happened. Maybe it's life events that have happened since they've last purchased life insurance, or maybe they don't have life insurance at all. But it basically asks the question, have your needs changed? Maybe they have a new child or a grandchild. Maybe they got married. Maybe they got divorced. Maybe a spouse passed away. Maybe they have a new job or a promotion. Maybe they're making a lot more money, a lot more income that they need to protect through life insurance. New investments, retirement. There's so many different things that may have changed in their life. Just as a person's situations change on a regular basis, it should be a common practice of yours to be contacting your client every year, every 2 years to review to make sure that the policy is performing and meeting the needs. The idea here is that you're providing the client peace of mind that they have the best product at the best price for what they need. The second week, our friends at Protective Life showed us how to sell more than a death benefit. A lot of misconception about life insurance is that life insurance only pays out when a client dies, but that's not necessarily the case. It basically goes back to that old adage, do you have the old insurance or do you have the new insurance? And Protective Life has an extend care benefit. It basically is a chronic illness rider that can accelerate the death benefit if the client can no longer perform two of 6 activities of daily living or they have severe cognitive impairment. This is a huge piece to the financial puzzle with many of our clients who maybe they cannot afford long-term care. This is a supplement to long-term care. The client does not have to show any reason why they're accelerating it. All they have to do is get documentation from their doctor that confirms that they can no longer perform 2 of their 6 activities of daily living, and then they will start receiving a monthly benefit until they've exhausted all of the death benefit. Or if there's any death benefit left, they will pay out that death benefit upon death. But again, this is selling more than just a death benefit. It's kind of the either or. With a straight long-term care plan, either the client uses it or they lose it. With this, with the extend care benefit, and there are other carriers that offer this as well, but you have the life insurance death benefit should they die, but if they happen to go into a nursing home facility or they need home health care, that is where this extend care benefit kicks in. So they can use it as a long-term care supplement or death benefit or both. And we can discuss more about that, but that's what Protective Life was talking about, was their extend care benefit. It's an acceleration of the death benefit, but it's for an either or situation. In week number 3, our friends at Foresters explained how they've come up with a very competitive term life insurance plan. And it's a little bit different than your other traditional term life plans. Some of the key features are just like your normal term plans, where you can get it for 10, 15, 20, 25, and 30 years. But you can go up to a non-med underwriting up to $400,000, or starting at $100,000 going up to $10 million. You can do financial underwriting and go through the medical underwriting to get an even cheaper rate. These rates are beating some of the other leaders in the industry. And with Foresters, they're a fraternal benefits company. So they're offering different member benefits. They have an accelerated death benefit rider, a common carrier accidental death benefit rider, a family health benefit rider. They also offer a charity benefit provision where the client can name a charity and 1% of the death benefit will go to that named charity. There are orphan benefits, college scholarship money, college orphan benefits. It's all part of the Foresters plan, and it's all with some of the least expensive term plans in the marketplace today, and that is through Foresters. Again, we can help you design cases. We can discuss more about this plan at a later time. Just give us a call. And then finally, our friends at National Life, which some of us know them as Life of the Southwest, they discuss the Roth Safety Chute. Now, this is where life insurance plays a different role, where it's not only providing coverage to help families stay in their homes and protect them financially that way, or for businesses to be able to pass down from one generation to the next. But this is one of those situations where a life insurance policy can help with the ebbs and flows of a person's investments. So it can provide a guaranteed death benefit. It can provide terminal illness benefits, chronic illness benefits, critical and critical injury benefits. So really, it's basically taking care of the concerns where someone lives too long, gets sick, or outlives their money. This plan through the Roth Safety Chute, the sales concept through the Roth Safety Chute, helps put all the pieces of the puzzle together with life insurance, accelerated living benefits, cash value accumulation, and so many other different additional benefits that are all part of the Life of the Southwest portfolio. So we can discuss more about that. But those were the 4 weeks that we've discussed where life insurance plays different roles in people's lives. Now, all throughout this morning, as we've been discussing the different options that are available to you and through our Life Insurance Awareness Month, partnership has its privileges. And when you partner with URL Insurance Group, we are here to help educate you. We're here to help you help your clients. And it's all about providing peace of mind. Now, when you partner with us, we want to help you grow. We want to provide you support. We want to give you motivation. And it's all founded on the basis of trust and all these things that we have available to you. And we appreciate and we value our partnerships with all of our brokers all across the company. So that's basically what we've done for the past month for Life Insurance Awareness Month. So many different tools and resources available. I know we're limited on time and what we have to offer. But if you have any questions, you can type your questions and I'll be happy to answer those questions. Or you can raise your hand and I'll unmute your phone or microphone. But a lot of times you have questions after maybe a day or so later and you're not sure what direction you want to go or what you should do, feel free to call me. Again, my name is Matt Alina and I'm one of the marketers here, and I've been with URL for just about 14 years. So you can reach me at 800-926-8875 and my direct extension is 141. You can also email me at matta@urlinsgroup.com. But as you can see, we have put together a bunch of different programs, and we have so many different tools and resources that are available to you at no cost. The cost is your partnership, and that's all that it costs. So for those of you that have partnered with URL that are on this call today, thank you for your partnership. We look forward to working with you and helping provide you with the tools and resources that you need to help share the importance of life insurance. And for those of you who are on the fringes and you're not sure if you want to work with URL, call me. I'd like to discuss with you what we can do to earn your business. We look forward to working with each and every one of you. And remember, the bottom line here is this. You're helping clients, you're helping widows and their children stay in their home. You're providing food and clothing, providing an education for those children through college, and this is all through life insurance. You're helping grandparents pass on money from one generation to the next. You're also helping businesses pass on from one generation to the next. And you're also helping through life insurance alleviate the financial burdens of funeral expenses and so many other things, and alleviate debt through a life insurance death benefit. You're also helping people provide funding through the different chronic illness benefits and the long-term care riders that are available through these life insurance plans to help with long-term care and some of the medical needs and financial needs that they may have as they get older in life and have some medical problems. So what you're doing is very important. And at this time, I'd like to thank you very much for your time. Thank you very much for your partnership. And we look forward to working with you on your next life cases. So until next time, enjoy the rest of your week, and we will talk to you soon.